Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Logitek. In today's video, we will learn how to do an Imap email setup on an iPad. So let's get to it. First of all, you can use this method for any version of old or new iPads like iPad Pro, iPad Mini. Now, in order to begin with, we need to find the setting icon on the iPad screen, which looks like a gear icon. Once you found it, tap on it. In the next menu, you need to find the blue colored mail icon. Tap on it, then tap on Accounts, then Add Accounts. When you tap on Add Account, you will see some options coming on your screen like this, where you can see iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google for Gmail, Yahoo, AOL and Outlook. If you have any of them, you can tap on it, or else if you have a business email like a domain email from any other service provider, then tap on Others. Now you need to tap on Add Mail Account. Then you need to enter your full name, email address, password, and the description will come automatically, so we don't have to type it. Once you are done, then tap on Next on the top right. Now press on Imap. Now you need to enter the incoming mail server of the service provider. Normally it comes like imap.serviceprovider's name followed by .com. Then enter the email address again in the username and then the password. Just below that, we can see outgoing mail server. In here, you need to enter smtp.your service provider's domain name followed by .com. Then below you need to enter the username, which we know it's the email address and the password. After this, press Next on the top right. Then tap on Save on the top right. Now it will take you back to the account page where you would see your email is configured there with the name you had in the description. Tap on that name, then tap on Accounts. You would see SMTP down below. Tap on it. Then tap on Primary Server. You will see a list of options of it. You need to turn on Use SSL. Then press Authentication and press Password. Now tap on the top left arrow sign. Then press Server Port. Enter 465 there. Then tap on Done. Then it will take you to the previous window where on the top left corner of it, you need to tap on Account. Now you need to press Advanced option on the top of that list, then turn on Use SSL. Now tap or press Authentication and make sure the password option is ticked. Then tap again on the top left arrow where you can see Advanced. Press that. Now in that list you need to tap on Server Port and enter 993. Then tap on Account option on the top left of this window. Then on the top right, press Done. Now press Account again on the top left corner of this window and press Done on the top right of the window. Now again tap on Accounts as you can see there on the screen. Then tap on Fetch New Data. contacts list, we need to make sure that we have selected or ticked on automatically. Slide your finger upwards, starting from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. That's how we do the Imap email setup on any iPad. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. And do subscribe to Logitek. It's free for you, but it will motivate me to make more useful videos like this. And if you have any doubts or questions, please don't forget to mention in the comments. We will do our best to answer your doubts. That's all from today's video. We will see you next time.